Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. I want to first say thank you so much for all the support that you've given me on my channel throughout these dark months. You have made my life a lot brighter, and I want to thank you for that. I am forever in your debt. I love you all. Okay, what we need right now is a Christmas miracle. Now, I know miracles happen every day, but we just have to pray that we get a Christmas miracle. Where are we at right now with the stimulus check, with the $2,000 stimulus check? The bill did pass the House and the Senate for the $600 check for all adults and $600 for children under the age of 17. And it looked like it was going to be just pushed through real fast and it would be a done deal and people would be getting a little bit of money. As we all know, a little bit is better than nothing. And when I say a little bit, $600 is a little bit compared to $2,000. But at least it's something in your pocket. All we needed was Donald Trump to sign off on it. Donald Trump said he would sign off on it. As soon as they got it to him, he would sign it. But then what did he do? When they got it to him, he refused to sign it until they put a $2,000 check in it. Just another example of his lies. Y'all, I used to be all for Donald Trump. I don't know why now. He is acting so childish. And he's holding the American people back because he's mad because he won't be president no more. Now, I know that I'm going to lose subscribers for saying stuff like that, but it's the way I feel. Donald Trump is doing us real bad right now. He says he wants a $2,000 check, and that's good if he could get it. But he knows it probably will not happen. So therefore, he's holding the American people up. Now, why is he doing this? I believe it's to repair his legacy before he leaves office. He wants the last thing he does to be fighting for a $2,000 check for the American people. I think it's much too late to repair his legacy. He has done too many crazy things. Only time will tell. Nancy Pelosi, just 45 minutes after he blocked it and said he wants $2,000 checks or he will not sign it. Nancy Pelosi came out just 45 minutes after that. Says, okay, you got your $2,000 check. We'll give it to you. That was all good. Now we just needed the Republicans to agree to it. We got Donald Trump. We got Nancy Pelosi finally agreeing on something. Who would have thunk it that Nancy Pelosi and Donald Trump would agree on something? But they did, just that fast. When Donald Trump said he wanted $2,000 checks for everyone, Nancy Pelosi jumped right on it. So now what about the Mooch Man? We know before it gets passed, it's got to go over to the Mooch Man and the Republican Party. A lot of the Republicans would go for it. And I believe if they did go for it, it would help their chances to retain those 2 seats in Georgia. But them blocking it, that's going to cost those 2 seats in Georgia. Before the Mooch Man could say anything, yay or nay, McConnell comes out and says, no, it will not happen. I guarantee you McConnell and McCarthy both are going to have a very big Christmas with their rich friends and rich families. all these, the saddest thing of all this, y'all, is that the American people are losing everything. They do not have the money to put food on their table for Christmas. And Christmas gifts, they can forget about them. They're just trying to put a decent Christmas dinner on their table. But you know, every one of these lawmakers, they're flying home at our expense. We're paying for all that flying around the country. And then they say Monday they're going to fly back to Washington. We're paying for that too. And then guess what? When they get through in Washington, they're going back home. We'll also pay for that. But we can't have a decent Christmas dinner. There is a hot place in hell for these people. All it would take to put $2,000 into all Americans' pockets right now, within a matter of a couple of weeks, is for McCarthy to say yes. But he won't do that because he's never had to go to bed hungry. He's never had to worry about paying the electric bill or paying the rent. And with the salary that he gets now and for life, he will never have to worry about that. AOC says all we got to do is amend one page and get this bill passed. It would pass fast and we could still get the money out within a matter of a week or two. She has already amended that page, but now McCarthy says no deal. He won't do it. Steve Mnuchin was sitting on go. He was waiting for Trump to sign the bill so he could have the money in the pockets of people next week. But it didn't happen because Trump wants to play his political games again. Y'all, right now it would take a Christmas miracle to get this bill passed. I do believe in miracles, but I don't believe in our government at all. Did you know there's $89 million set aside for the Senate to spend on furniture for their offices? $89 million. And the American people are fighting to put food on their table. You hear about all this corruption in other countries, but you never expect it to be here in the good old USA. But it's knocking on our door hard right now. There is going to become a reckoning day. And when they do, God help their souls. Joe Biden still says that right after he takes office, he will issue stimulus checks. So we do have that to look forward to. Joe Biden says he'll do it, and I believe he will try. I don't know if he can or not, but as long as he tries to carry out that promise. Y'all, these people that we voted in office, that owes us their support, is turning their back on us and shooting us the middle finger while they fly around the country on our jet fuel that we pay for to spend time with their friends and family, their rich friends and family, and then tell us to social distant. Do not spend time with your family during these holidays. But they're going home to do just that. Y'all, we will get out of this. We just have to pray to Jesus Christ. Y'all, I know right now is a hard time and you probably don't want to hear this, but I do wish you all a Merry Christmas. Make it the best you can under these conditions. Remember, it's not about what you don't have. It's about what you have. And you have yourself, you're on top of the ground, and you still have Jesus, turn to Jesus for comfort. He will give it to you. Y'all, I love you all. Merry Christmas. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. And again, Merry Christmas.